the Goa Tribal Employment Generation Program was formulated by Directorate of Industry and Trade and Commerce under Tribal Sub-Plan and was notified in official gazette in the year January 2013. The scheme was notified under the Directorate of Planning and Commission, Government of India, and was supposed to get fund sanctioned from the government and give it to the state level registered cooperative tribal societies or cooperative banks. At present, Tribal Multipurpose Cooperative Society is doing the disbursement of loan and after getting funds from the government. We are total 69 applicants who had applied for the loan almost 2 years before, out of which batch of 17 applicants, their interview were taken after 1 year of applying for the loan on 8th of October 2014. And our loans have been sanctioned by the task force committee and loans were approved for disbursement. But now almost 1 year and 4 months have passed. After taking the interviews, we have not yet got the benefit of the scheme. It is very strange to say that industry department require 1 year to prepare one MOU and get it sanctioned from the government bodies. This is the speed at which our government departments are working. Earlier, under the same scheme, till March 2015, around 60 applications has been processed and the loans were sanctioned and the loans were disbursed. But that time no MOU was asked by the government.